In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove accounts from Ctrader. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clean up your account list so only the profiles you actually use are visible. First, open Ctrader on your desktop or in the web version and let it load to the main workspace. Make sure you're not in the middle of placing an order or running a critical task, since we'll be adjusting your accounts list to keep things tidy and focused. Next, head to the accounts area. You'll typically find it in the left sidebar. On some layouts, it may sit near the top panel. This is the hub where Ctrader groups every profile you've connected to the platform. Here, you'll see all your linked demo and live accounts in one place. Demo accounts are for practice with virtual funds, while live accounts are connected to your broker and real money. Think of this panel as a list of connections that Ctrader knows about. Removing one won't close your brokerage account or liquidate positions. It simply takes that account out of your Ctrader list so it's no longer displayed. When you're ready to remove an account, locate the one you want to take off the list and click the trash icon beside it. Take a second to double check the account name, number, and whether it's demo or live so you don't remove the wrong one by mistake. If you're actively logged into the account you're trying to remove, switch your focus to another account first so the trash option is available. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify the deletion. This step is there to prevent accidental removals. Read the message, confirm you've selected the right account, and then approve the deletion. Remember, this action removes the account from your Ctrader list only. Open trades, balances, and history stay with your broker. You can always reconnect later by logging in again. Once you confirm, the account disappears from your accounts panel. That's your signal that it's been permanently removed from the Ctrader list on this device or workspace. Your platform will look cleaner, your account switcher will be easier to navigate, and you'll reduce the chances of placing orders in the wrong profile. If you run into issues, make sure the platform is up to date and that you're not currently using the account you're trying to remove. And if you change your mind later, simply log back in to reconnect it. That's all there is to it. Simple, safe, and effective.